In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Beehiiv subscribers. Whether you're planning to back up your data, analyze your subscription metrics, or migrate to a different platform, exporting your subscriber list is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can easily ensure that your data is safely stored and ready for any further use. Let's dive right in. To begin, you will need to access the Beehiiv platform. Open your web browser and navigate to the Beehiiv website. Once you're there, look for the login button, which you should find at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. Once you're on the login page, you will have the option to sign in using various methods, but the simplest way is to select the option that says sign in with Google. This method is not only quick but also secure, ensuring that your credentials are safely verified through Google's authentication services. After you've successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to the settings area of Beehiiv to find what you're looking for. To do this, locate and click on the settings button. This should be visible somewhere on your dashboard, typically along the sidebar or within a menu at the top of the screen. Clicking this will lead you to a page where you can manage several account and publication settings. Once you're on the settings page, you need to look specifically for an option labeled Export Data. This option is crucial for exporting your subscribers, and it might be nestled amongst other data management or administrative options. By clicking on Export Data, you'll be given the choice to configure your export. When you arrive at the export screen, you'll see that Beehiiv offers you some options on how you want your data to be exported. You can choose between a quick version or a full version of your subscriber list. The quick version is typically faster to generate and might include just the basic details of your subscribers, whereas the full version could encompass more comprehensive data fields. Your choice here should depend on how much information you need and how detailed your analysis is going to be. After selecting your preferred version, the next and final step is to initiate the export process itself. Locate the export button corresponding to your chosen option and click it. Following this, Beehiiv will begin processing your export request, and shortly you should see a downloadable file containing your subscriber information. Depending on the size of your list and the detail level you've chosen, this may take a few moments, so be patient. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully exported your Beehiiv subscribers. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.